Hello and welcome to another 3ds Max tutorial. In this video we will be going through how to install a plugin. So I'm going to download VU's Mesh Contours from scriptspot.com. So if I click on that and scroll down to where the attachments that you can download are, so I'm going to click on the latest one. And that will come up in your downloads here. Now you'll need to extract your file. Here it is, and then you should just be able to drag and drop into 3ds Max. And then here we go. So installed successfully, so okay, and then you'll need to restart 3ds Max. So if I exit that and then reopen it again, so I might just fast forward this bit. Okay, so once 3ds Max is open again, depending on what plugin you've downloaded, will depend on where it will show up on 3ds Max. So for this one, it should come up under Splines, VU, and here it is, Mesh Contour. Other plugins, to get them to show up, you might have to go to Customize user interface across to toolbars, and then from here you can sort of navigate to them there, and you can narrow your search down and such. So if I wanted to create a shortcut or a button for, let's see, auto backup now, so let's do that one. So I'll create a new button or new toolbar and I'll call it auto backup, and I click OK. So that's created this little button here. From there we just drag, well, where do we go? From there we drag the tool, the action, sorry, onto the toolbar here. You can exit that, and then we can drag the button onto our toolbar, and then that should be there. I'm going to leave that here for this tutorial.